Hello everybody, welcome back to another Adobe Photoshop CC 2021 tutorial. In this one I'm going to show you how to make your text adding textures to text. That's right guys, it's very simple and there's just a couple steps. Let me show you how to do it. I'm going to delete this and I'm going to start off with a image. If you're following along, you can just go File, New, create any size image really, just create one. And presto, we've got a new artboard. Now head over to the left side and click on your text tool. And I'm just going to write some big giant text. So I'm going to write texture. And presto, there we go. That's pretty big size. And if you want to make it a little bigger for effect, why not? Okay, good. So, whoa, well, maybe that's too big. I want the whole thing to be in there. So anyways, the point is you want to have some text. Now I'm just going to go ahead and stick it in the center-ish area. Okay, good. Now what I want to do, and here's the real part, the part you came for, was we want to apply texture to this. So what you do is you select a texture. Now for me, I've got a red brick wall selected. So let's go ahead and I'm going to drag and drop that on top of the shot here. And you're going to see here that this is just regular brick wall, and that's the texture we're going for. I'm going to hit OK just to make sure that it drops it on there. It's going to drop it as a smart object. Now, this looks kind of silly right now, but here is the one critical part. All you need to do is hold down the Alt or the Option key on your Mac or your PC. Hover between these two lines right here. This is going to create a clipping mask. Left click when you see that little arrow down in the rectangle or the square. And that's it. Now your texture is clipped to the font or clipped to the text, guys. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Ton more stuff coming up. Stay tuned.